Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to do web check-in. Web check-in is useful because it saves time at the airport by allowing you to choose your seat and get your boarding pass in advance, making your travel experience smoother and more convenient. First, search your respective airline's official website on Google. Now, enter the PNR or the booking reference number and the last name or email of the passenger. Now, select the passenger you want to check in. Now, you can choose the desired seats from the available seat map. Now, tap on Proceed. Finally, tap on Check-in button to generate your boarding pass. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any need seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.